Hello, I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith Claremont, and today I'm at the Aria development by Blackburn in Swanbourne. Right now I'm in apartment 85, which is a gorgeous and generous 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car unit on the second level. We are north facing and west facing. The total lot size is 134 square meters. Internal living is 84 square meters, so quite generous. We're gonna do a walkthrough, but first I wanna take you outside the apartment because there is a feature here that is quite unique that I don't want you to miss. Follow me. Now, the first feature I wanted to point out is something that makes this unit very unique within the Aria development. It's the fact that we're on the northwest corner and there are no adjoining walls in the apartment. So on the south side, you have a fire escape, so no shared wall. And then let me close that door. Over here to the north, we have the rest of this hallway, and as you'll see here, this is apartment 85, so we don't have any shared walls, which gives you an added level of privacy within the unit. So now let's go inside. You'll have an entrance hallway. The first thing you have is some storage, which is great, linen cabinet. This is where your Euro laundry is, so you've got your Miele washer and dryer as well. In the kitchen, first thing we come into in the kitchen, you have integrated Miele fridge freezer, which is really, really fabulous. Beautifully done. In the kitchen, you'll notice that Miele induction cooktop. You've got the integrated 600 ml Miele oven, also dishwasher, double sink, this engineered stone countertop. I love the light color, as well as it's like a breakfast bar, so you've got some stools here. So beautifully done kitchen, as always, by Blackburn here at Aria. And if we swing around here, you'll see obviously this living space. We'll go outside in just a moment. Living and dining. You've got 2 portals of access onto the patio. And right over here, if you come through, this is the master bedroom. Because we're north facing, very light and bright, views of the Cottesloe Golf Course and the bushland right across here. It's just a beautiful aspect. Every morning, imagine waking up. And over here, you have the walk-in or walk-through robes, as well as the generously sized ensuite with double sinks. Okay, and now we'll have a look at the second bedroom and second bathroom / powder room. In the second bedroom, you do have west-facing windows as well as north, so fantastic light in this room. Access out onto the patio, of course, beautiful bushland views. She's added plantation shutters, which are fantastic because in the late afternoon, you're gonna get some really fabulous sun, and plantation shutters, if you need to take that late afternoon nap, will block out some of the light. And of course, we've got lots of storage in the built-in robes. And back out in the living space, so you can see here she's got a dining room table set for 4, but you could even put a bigger table if you needed. And as mentioned here in the living space, you even have more windows here. She's just set this up as a television, but let's say you open that up, this whole room is just filled with tons and tons of light, which is absolutely a beautiful feature, plus views of that beautiful bushland. Feels like you're just one with nature in this particular unit. Thank you for viewing number 85 at Aria in Swanbourne. If you have any questions about the property or would like to view the property, or if you'd like to make an offer, call me. 0416-657-300. I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith Claremont, and it would be a pleasure to serve you.